Hi guys, Dean Soleimani here from Sticker City, and Mario, our installer, just finished wrapping another wood dash for a Tesla Model 3. This time it's the white leather, and I kind of want you guys to see what the white leather looks like. A lot of people do this because it matches the interior, or kind of looks like the performance model, where if you have the standard model you can't get the white. With the vinyl, you actually have the benefit of turning it around, and this looks better than what the performance looks like. Another great benefit is it actually protects what's underneath. Looks better, it matches the leather of the interior, and also when you remove this down the line, there's no damage underneath. Let's go ahead show you guys what the close-up looks like on this bad boy in white.